Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So it is Tuesday morning and no penny list, but a big curveball with the Dollar General app. So if you were trying to log in Saturday, Sunday, Monday, it was doing some weird stuff where we could not load coupons with a tablet or like a phone. You could do it on a desktop computer, but the other two, it was almost impossible. And across the board, a lot of us were dealing with that. Now, here's something weird. This morning, yes, you could. And as you can see, I'm looking at some Gain products. And I'm going to look at the 5 off of 30, this thing. And then if you clip on it, just touch the coupon with your finger. Everything that attaches with this coupon is listed below. That's a little hack with the app. And as you can see, it's only detergent and fabric softener. That is it. Even though the photo shows Febreze and Mr. Clean, it's only this stuff. Will the app change it? Is this the only thing? I don't know. But what we have is a 5 off of 20. And sometimes when they have that, they kind of change things up. But I'm asking you guys to really pay attention and don't put your brain on autopilot this Saturday or whenever you go to do this deal. Now, looking at this again, I'm just going to type in Febreze to show you what I'm talking about. If you're like, she's not making any sense, here it is. And if we look at some of these air effects, look, we have digital coupons, but no 5 off of 20. This is a huge bear trap. Please, please, please pay attention when you're in the store. Do not put your brain in autopilot because this is going to cost you quite a bit. And this is how the Dollar General gets us. If they make a change to this, I'll let you guys know, but nothing seems to be attaching as of this morning. Now, again, from Saturday to Monday, the app was down with your phone or your tablet. And when this happened to me last Saturday in store where I was getting that Jack Russell dog of doom or it was just circling nonstop, I just canceled my transaction. The app is not going to attach, the digital coupons will not attach to any product. I can't get anything to scan. Pass on it. You have nothing to lose. If you go over to my YouTube page and go to the community tab, see where that arrow is? I was kind of in real time writing, hey guys, it's not working. This is my experience. And then other ladies and gentlemen were also sharing also in the feed. And it's just a fast way for people that are only on YouTube where we can share information. So in the future, if you're not on Instagram or TikTok, look up the information in the community tab, especially when there's a big error with the app. I will let you guys know. Okay, so with this is kind of a gift, and it's from, we're going to be able to use it on 2 weekends, the 13th or the 20th. It's of a one-time use, and it's a 5 off of 20. Pairing it with the Saturday 5 off of 25, there's a little bit of magic to it, but absolutely open up your Dollar General app and scan all the merchandise to ensure that the 5 off of 20 is attaching. A couple of rules. Obviously, the best savings for this is on the 13th. That digital coupon is of a one-time use as well. So if you use it on the weekend of the 13th, you cannot use it on the 20th, even if you ask me. Use the Dollar General app to ensure that 5 off of 20 is attaching. If you're getting the beach ball of doom where it's just circling and kicking you out of the app, just void your transaction, call it quits for the day because there's going to be issues at the till with checkout. You got to get to $20 of merch for that 5 off of 20 to come off. And honestly, to go on Saturday to get 10 off of 25, that's really amazing. Not all regions, the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20 will stack. So if it is not stacking, there is a little coupon that shows out at the bottom of your cash register receipt. Use that paper 5 off of 25 with the 5 off of 20 Gain coupon. So the first deal I have is for an any day digital deal. So you're going to need only this guy because you're going to go today if you wish. Remember, we're not going to grab any Gain dish soap, the Mr. Clean, or the Febreze Air Effects because it is not attaching with this booster and we do not want any drama. First item we're going to grab is one of these products for $13.50. Remember to open up your Dollar General app and scan the barcodes. Some of these newer scents or flavors, whatever you want to call, not attaching with the 5 off of 20. So yeah. So we're going to grab this bad boy for $13.50. I always like these larger detergents. I just like them. And then we have our $2 digital. This showed up, I believe, last week. So hopefully you still have that guy loaded. The second product is anything off of this bingo chart. I think that detergent, that's a misprint. So it's anything else except for the detergent. I'm going to grab one of the fireworks because I really like these products. Everybody who I gift stuff from my stockpile seems to love these fireworks, I think, because they think it's made out of gold. But they're $3.95. And I think we're going to have to grab 2 of them to get the basket right up to 20 buckos, and we have this $1 digital coupon. Remember, this is an any day deal, so if you have a lot of problems with the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25 stacking, then maybe this is a deal for you. Grabbing one detergent for $13.50, and then 2 of the fireworks at $3.95 a pop. That's $7.90 for a total of $21.40. As the cashier's scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number on the keypad. The 5 off of 20 will come off, along with $3 of digital manufacturers. We have the 2 for the detergent, the larger one, and the $1 for the fireworks. So it makes it $13.40 for the 3 items, or $4.46 per product. If you go over to P&G Good Every Day, there's a $1 printable for the flings. So for that last deal, if you can incorporate one internet printable, you know your store best. If they're not going to let you use this paper coupon, you obviously cannot do it. But if you can get onto this site and print a $1 coupon, you can get that last basket $1 cheaper. Obviously, don't grab 2 fireworks, grab 1 firework, 1 fling. You know, this little bag of the pods. But yeah, this is an alternative as well. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at is to do this on Saturday. So we're going to need this guy along with the 5 off of 20. And we're just going to augment this basket to get it right to 25. We're going to grab 2 of these toothpaste for $8. Now see that 6 off of 2? If you still might have a straggler in your digital coupons folder, I think I still have a couple left that I didn't use or I couldn't find the toothpaste. Hopefully your store has a nice little restock, but it'll be $8 for the 2. Now there is some instant savings with this specific product. If you look at the bottom, it says spend 8 on Colgate, blah, 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 save 2. So this is going to be $6 with a 6 off of 2. Boom, that's a free product. Let's also throw in this guy from P&G Good Every Day. So print one of those out. I suggest that you print that out the morning before you go shopping because it gives you less than 24 hours before the coupon expires. So again, we're going on Saturday the 13th. We're going to grab 1 Gain detergent for $13.50, the large ones. 1 firework and 1 bag of flings for $7.90. They're $3.95 a pop. And then 2 of those triple packs of the Colgate for $6. It's actually 8, but I've already factored in the instant savings. So please do not come for me in the comments. I figured out the math right there. So the total after the instant savings is $27.40. You've already punched in your phone number as the cashier is scanning all the stuff. You're going to present that $1 internet printable from P&G Good Every Day for the flings. Now the 5 off of 20 and 5 off of 25 will come off, along with $9 of digital manufacturers. We have a 6 off of 2 for the Colgate, the $2 for the larger Gain, and the $1 for the fireworks. You're paying $7.40 for the 5 products, making it $1.48 per product. This is a very reasonable deal. It involves 1 internet printable, but it's pretty straightforward. So if the Febreze starts to attach with the 5 off of 20 Gain, I will absolutely make a second video for you guys. But in the past, sometimes when they do a 2-week blitz with a 5 off of 20, they tend to just make it for the detergent and the softener. I have seen that before in the past. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.